everyone, it's me Time, and today look at this crazy snowstorm. Like, oh my goodness. What? Whoa. The snow is falling like crazy. See, look at that. Whoa. Yeah. So this is just a look. So you guys are just gonna see some snow falling. Guys, I'm in another room, but the snow falling kind of looks a little slower than what happened before. So yeah. So I think maybe it's because I'm a little lower. That's why. That's why it's probably looking slow. But hey, it's snowstorm, guys. So yeah. So you're just looking at the snow falling. Hold on.